Today we are going to learn 9th standard set language exercise 1.3 7th sum. Let capital A and B be two overlapping sets. This is A and this is B overlapping sets, and the universal set be U, and let it be U. This is U. Draw appropriate Venn diagram for each of the following. Your first question, A union B. A union B means we need A and also B. We want all the values of A and B. So in this we need the circle of A and also the circle of B. So this is the meaning of A union B. A union B means we need the portion of A and portion of B. Next, this is second one is A intersection B. A intersection B means common. So what is common in A and B gives you A intersection B. The common portion in A and B is this portion, the center portion. This is A intersection B. Next question is A intersection B whole dash. So what is meant by whole dash? Whole dash means universal minus what is under to it. That is A intersection B. First, in this diagram, first we have to find the value of A intersection B. Here we have the value of A intersection B. Universal means we need the portion of universal, but we don't want the portion of A intersection B. So this is the portion of A intersection B. Omitting A intersection B, covering remaining all the parts gives you A intersection B whole dash. So omitting A intersection B, we are going to cover remaining the portions gives you A intersection B whole dash. So this is A intersection B whole dash. Your fourth question now. B minus A whole dash. B minus A whole dash. B minus A whole dash means universal minus what is under to this? B minus A. So first we'll find what is B minus A. This is B minus A. B minus A means, what is meant by B minus A? In the previous class I have taught you B minus A means we need the portion of B. We don't want the portion of A. Here universal is not related anywhere. So we need the portion of A and we don't want the portion. We need the portion of B and we don't want the portion of A. So this value is belong to both A and B. So this we cannot cover. We want only B portion. So I'm going to cover only the portion of B here. So this gives you the portion of B. So this is B minus A. Now we'll find B minus A whole dash. That is universal minus B minus A means we need the portion of universal. We don't want this B minus A. Omitting the B minus A portion, remaining covering all the portion, remaining portion gives you B minus A whole dash. So you omit B minus A gives you B minus A whole dash. Gives you B minus A whole dash. Your next fifth question, A dash union B dash. First we'll find A dash. So what is meant by A dash? Universal minus A. We need universal portion but we don't want A. That is A dash. So A dash, we need universal, we don't want A. So we are not supposed to cover the circle of A. So omitting A, covering the remaining portion gives you A dash. Similarly, B dash. B dash means universal minus B. Omitting the portion of B, that is the B value, gives you B dash. So we'll omit the portion of B. Gives you the value of B dash. Now A dash union B dash. Now we have to compare these two things. This is the drawing of A dash and this is B dash. Now we have to compare these two and we have to find union. The relationship between A dash and B dash is union. Union means we need all the portion of A dash and all the portion of B. So all the portion means you have to cover. What is covered in A dash, this diagram you have to cover, and also this diagram what is given you have to cover. So that we need to cover all the portion except the center value. Except the center value. In this diagram they have covered outside. In this diagram they have covered outside. So I have covered outside here. Here B is covered. So I have covered B. In this diagram A is covered. So it is covered. So this gives you the value of A dash union B dash. So compare the two diagrams and you decide whether it is union or intersection, and according to that sum we can solve them. Next is sixth one, A dash intersection B dash. Now we have to compare A dash and B dash value. So A dash and B dash we have to find intersection. What is the common portion covered here? Here B is covered but B is not covered. Here A is covered but A is not covered. The portion which is covered in both the thing is only the universal portion, that is only the outside portion. So in A dash intersection B dash we are going to cover only the outer portion, which gives you A dash intersection B dash. When we compare A dash and B dash, in A dash the outer portion is covered and in B dash outer portion is covered. Both the thing, the outer portion is covered, which is common. So we are covering only the outer portion, gives you A dash intersection B dash. Okay. Now Roman letter 7. What do you observe from the Venn diagram Roman letter 3 and Roman letter 5? Now we'll compare the diagrams Roman letter 3 and 5. So Roman letter 3. In Roman letter 3 only the center portion is not covered, and in the Roman letter 5 here the center portion is not covered. So both the things are even. So in the third question, in the Roman letter 3, this is A intersection B whole dash. So therefore we can observe that A intersection B whole dash, the diagram of A intersection B whole dash is similar to, that is equal to A dash union B dash. Thank you, children.